Okay, what I want to do is I want to show you an easy way to fold your Hakama and keep the pleats in it. One of the mistakes I see a lot of people do is they just get it and then they lay it down and they try to fold it from that laying position. Actually, what you want to do is you want to put all the straps in front and, in a sense, pre-fold it when it's standing up. The first thing you have to do is get that center pleat going the right direction. So for me, I kick it to the left, and then once that center pleat is folded, then I bring the middle and the back together, and then you can kind of just shake it so that it will get a wave pattern in it, because get the front pleats already folded before you lay it down, and then once you get the front, then you get the back and pull the back in to where they're going to be lined up when you lay it down. So then from there, you just lay it down very gently in this position, and see it's already almost full. Okay, from this position, take the straps and throw the straps all the way towards the back. And then I'm going to just get these pleats, since I've already gotten the pleats pretty much flat, you know, as the Hakama was standing up. Now I'm going to get them all flat. Everything should be pretty much flat with no wrinkles underneath it. And then I bring in the sides. See, and it makes it so much easier to fold. Now some people, you put it in thirds. This one actually goes in fourths. So I'm going to see, and there's no you know, line creases in the back. Okay, and then you get that folded, and then you just put it in front of you. Okay, now you grab the long ones, which were in the front, and you get those straight in line, and then you fold them in thirds, and then you put that in the front. Okay, and then we're going to do the other side like this. Same thing, we're going to fold it in thirds. And then get all those lined up. Okay, so that makes an X pattern. Okay, now once you've got the X pattern, you bring the shorter one across, and then you bring it through underneath, you bring it over, and then you go under. Okay, and then you do the same pattern for the other one. You come across, go underneath, fold through, and then you fold underneath the whole thing, and then you pick this part of it up, you move this through, get that folded straight, bring this tab and tuck it underneath. Okay, then you finish the same pattern here, tuck it through, and then this goes underneath here, tucks through there, and then this little tab will go underneath. Okay, now you've got that, and then you can then take it and just fold it one more time if you want, or just leave it like that. But to get it in the bag, that might be a little easier.